welcome to Berryhead Nature Reserve, or at least the bottom of Berryhead Nature Reserve. So let's go to the top. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, back at Berryhead again for the third time, and I'm just hoping for some marine mammals, porpoises mainly, and maybe a few seabirds would be good. But yeah, so wish me luck. I'm now in the height here at Berryhead, but there's no guillemots out today, so I doubt I'll stay here that long. But I've seen kestrels before from here, so just got to keep my eye out. Okay, I gave up with the hide. I've got my macro lens on to try and do some macro photography of the butterflies and bees out today. Photographing a really cool little cricket thing. I'm now going to go grab an ice cream and then spend a bit longer looking for insects and stuff, and then I will head back. I was going to this bench and then I stepped down a step and the ice cream literally just fell off the top. So, well, I mean, I guess I have a cone now that I can eat. The ice cream disaster, I went and grabbed myself a Fanta, so that was quite nice. And then I came out here looking for some bees. I found one bee that was very nice and just sat right in front of the camera, so I did, but fingers crossed some photos came out there. I'm now on the hunt for small birds and preferably a seal bunting. Seen them in this area before, so hopefully we see one, so we've got to keep our fingers crossed for that as well. I think I just got some incredible shots of a marbled white, which I think they're marbled whites, correct me if I'm wrong though. Look at how many of these bugs there are in one flower. Thanks for watching. We didn't see any marine mammals and no seabirds, but we did see loads of insects, plants, which was good. If you did enjoy this video, please consider giving it a like, and you could subscribe to the channel. You can share it to anyone that would like this sort of thing. And thanks very much for watching. I'll see you next time.